Practice your listening and speaking skills with dialogues.
Ethan, I've heard about this new restaurant downtown. They supposedly have the best seafood dishes. Interested?
Absolutely. Seafood sounds fantastic. What's the name of the place?
It's called Ocean Flavor. The reviews are outstanding. How about dinner tomorrow?
Count me in. I can't wait to try their signature dishes.
Ethan, what did you think of the lobster bisque?
Divine. The flavors were so rich and creamy. And the grilled shrimp. Perfection.
I'm glad you enjoyed it. Seafood is one of my favorite cuisines. What about you?
I'm a sucker for Italian. Pasta, pizza, you name it. But I'm always up for trying something new.
Ethan, have you ever tried making homemade pasta?
Not yet, but I've always wanted to. Do you have a secret recipe to share?
I do. How about we have a cooking night this weekend? I'll teach you to make my grandma's famous lasagna.
That sounds like a plan. I'll bring the wine, and we'll make a night of it.
Ethan, there's a food festival in the city next month. Are you up for it?
Absolutely. I love trying different street foods. It's like a culinary adventure in every bite.
I'm excited too. Let's make a list of all the things we want to try. Are you brave enough for the spicy tacos?
Challenge accepted. I can handle some heat. Bring it on. Olivia, I have a sweet tooth. Any recommendations for a good dessert spot?
There's this charming little bakery around the corner. Their chocolate mousse cake is to die for.
I'm sold. Let's go there after dinner. A sweet ending to our foodie adventure.
Liam, is that really you? I can't believe it.
Emma? Wow, this is incredible. I never thought I'd run into you here.
It's been ages. How have you been?
Life's been a roller coaster, but I can't complain. What about you?
Do you remember the time we went on that road trip? It feels like a lifetime ago.
Of course. We had so many adventures and mishaps. Like the time we got lost in that small town.
And the locals gave us directions in the most confusing way possible. Good times.
So, what have you been up to all these years?
After college, I worked in marketing for a while, but I recently switched to photography. It's my true passion.
That's amazing, Emma. I've been working in finance, but I've been thinking of pursuing my love for painting.
You should go for it, Liam. Life's too short to not do what you love.
Emma, remember how we used to play guitar together?
How could I forget? We spent hours composing silly songs and dreaming of starting a band.
I still play occasionally. Do you still have your guitar?
Absolutely. Maybe we can jam sometime, like old times. Liam, I want to apologize if I ever hurt you back in the day. I was young and naive.
Emma, no need for apologies. We were both figuring things out. Besides, it's water under the bridge.
Thank you, Liam. I'm glad we can reconnect and put the past behind us.
Emma, let's not wait another decade to meet again. How about grabbing a coffee this weekend?
I'd love that, Liam. It's time to create new memories and continue this friendship.
Agreed. I'm looking forward to it.
Hi, Alex. Long time no see. How have you been?
Hey, Emma. I've been good, thanks. How about you?
Not bad. Work's been keeping me busy. You won't believe what happened yesterday.
Oh, do tell. I'm all ears.
Well, I was running late for a meeting, and I missed my bus. Can you believe it?
No way. What did you do?
I had to Uber to the office, and the driver took the longest route possible. I was so stressed.
That sounds like a nightmare. Did you make it to the meeting on time?
Barely. I rushed in just as they were starting. Phew.
By the way, have you tried that new Italian restaurant downtown?
Not yet. Is it any good?
Amazing. I went there last weekend. You have to try their pasta.
I'm definitely up for some good pasta. Let's plan to go there this weekend.
Great idea. We can invite Sarah and Jake too.
Speaking of Sarah, did you hear about her upcoming trip?
No, where is she going?
She's going to Japan for 2 weeks. Lucky her.
Wow, that's incredible. I've always wanted to visit Japan.
Me too. Maybe we should plan a trip together sometime.
Absolutely. Let's start saving up and make it happen.
Anyway, I've been trying to improve my cooking skills. I made this amazing dish last night.
Really? What was it?
Chicken Alfredo. It turned out way better than I expected.
Impressive. I'm terrible in the kitchen. Teach me your secrets.
It's all about the sauce. I'll give you the recipe.
Time flies when we're catching up. We should do this more often.
Definitely. Let's plan a regular meetup.
Sounds like a plan. We can explore different cafes each time.
Perfect. Looking forward to it.
Hi there. I'm Emily. Nice to meet you.
Hello, Emily. I'm Yuki. Nice to meet you too.
So, how's your experience been in the United States so far?
It's been interesting, but sometimes things get lost in translation.
I can imagine. English can be tricky. Any funny stories?
Well, I tried ordering a biscuit at a cafe, expecting something sweet. But I got a savory biscuit instead.
Oh, the classic biscuit confusion. Happens to the best of us. You were probably expecting a cookie. By the way, have you tried American football yet?
Yes, I watched a game, but I'm still confused about the rules.
It's a bit complex at first. I can explain the basics if you want.
That would be great. Touchdowns and field goals still puzzle me.
No worries. We can break it down step by step.
On a different note, your holidays here are so different from ours in Japan.
Really? How so?
In Japan, New Year's is a big celebration with traditional rituals. Here, it seems like Christmas takes the spotlight.
True. We exchange gifts on Christmas, and New Year's is more about resolutions and parties.
Fascinating. I'd love to experience both traditions.
Do you have any favorite American expressions or slang?
I find hit the hay interesting. It took me a while to realize it means going to bed.
Yeah, our slang can be quirky. Any Japanese expressions you find amusing?
Kamaribi is beautiful. It means sunlight filtering through the leaves of trees.
That's poetic. We should cherish those moments of kamaribi. Time flies. We should do this again. Maybe try some Japanese and American snacks next time?
Definitely. I'd love to introduce you to some Japanese treats.
Perfect. Let's plan for that. Until next time, Yuki.
Until next time, Emily.